Hi guys, this is part 2 of my April Trunk Club video, the try-on. I will have a link in the description bar below, click down there, to part 1, the unboxing, and in both videos in the description bar there will be a list of item names and prices, as well as a link you can click if you would like to try Trunk Club yourself. First item up on this video, the Nic and Zoe trousers. Here are the trousers. They are extremely comfortable and very light. They are a linen blend. Tell me what you think of them. I expected them to be too long. I think they're about a ½ inch too short. I would like to ask those of you that have had linen trousers before, how do they wash? My experience with linen is that once you wash it, it crumples up like an old Kleenex. I don't know if that's true for all linen. These feel great, and I think they look pretty nice from what I can tell. Here's the blazer. Here's the blazer. This is called the Living in Yellow Barbara jacket. Simple black blazer, little accent here. I'm of the opinion that black kind of both overwhelms me and turns me a little yellow. I don't know how evident that is on the iPad, but in real life, I look in a mirror, if I'm wearing a lot of black near my face, it does make me kind of sallow. Let me show you, compare it with the blazer I got in my last Stitch Fix. This is my Stitch Fix one that I did keep from my last fix. I thought it's a little tiny bit big, but I like it. I think I prefer this to the black blazer in the trunk. I would be very happy to have 2 blazers in 2 different styles or colors. That black one, though, I don't think is as nice as it is. Okay. I am wearing the Vince Camuto jeans jacket. It is in a size large. I think I need a large petite. I like any kind of a jeans jacket. I love jeans jackets. I think this is just a tiny bit big. It does have pockets on the side. I wasn't sure if these were faux pockets. They are real pockets. They're just stitched shut for now. And on the inside, what I particularly like is there is an inside pocket that's a real pocket. So this it's a 2-for-1. It's a little bit expensive for what it is. So as much as I like it, I'm not sure this is the one I want. I might continue to hunt for a jeans jacket. Here is the lettuce shirt. It is not really called a lettuce shirt. It is called the Vince Camuto Ruffle Sleeve Top in olive green. There's 2 different materials here. There's a little piece hanging out the bottom. You know, there's that style that looks like one shirt's coming out of another shirt. That can drive me crazy. But with this, they're both the same color. So I think that's fine. What do you think of the ruffle sleeves? They fall pretty nicely, so they don't like stick out or anything. I kind of like that, but I'm wondering at my age, I mean, I have enough that flaps naturally in the wind. Is this a shirt for a younger person? They call him Flipper, Flipper. Some of you are old enough to remember that show. This is the bell sleeve French terry jacket from Pleione. And I think on the right person, this would look very nice. I'm just not sure it's me. Let me get up close with it. I'm just not wild about this shade of gray on me. And I don't know about that. It's really soft. Oh my gosh, this is so... I hate these things. I think it's just not me. Okay. I've put on the Nic and Zoe top. Like most Nic and Zoe, this feels incredible against your skin. Soft is not the right word. It is soft, but it's not like cushy soft. Until you've worn a Nic and Zoe item, I don't think you can understand what I mean. It's light, it's breathable, it's awesome. The neckline is perfect for me. It's high enough for me. It doesn't show any undergarments anywhere, but you're not choking with it. I love that. And the color on this, it's hard to describe this color. They call it ink, and that's kind of a good name. It's a gray, almost like a charcoal gray, but there's a hint of something else in it. There's almost like just a hint of purple. I love this color. I love how this feels. Let me back up and show you the size on me and the fit of the rest of it. Okay. Now give me your opinion about this. I feel like it's got this little gather here that I didn't realize before. It ties on the side. How does it look? I have very mixed feelings about this one. I do like it a lot. I'm not sure the fit is good. It feels so comfortable. I'm also not sure what's going to happen to this tie after a few washings, but I like this. All right, Megan threw a second blazer in the box, in the trunk. Can I dress myself? Here we go. This is a Caslon soft blazer. These are not expensive. There's one button to them. You can cuff it up pretty easily. It's nice and soft. Pockets. This is the Pleione printed hooded sweatshirt in coral. It is a little bit big on me. It is a size large. But size large in a casual sweatshirt is fine. It has room to shrink a little bit if I accidentally wash it and warm. I love this. It is soft beyond belief. So this is a keeper. What I have down here are Wit and Wisdom Twill pants. I really love these. These are cargos. Over here, this is a real pocket. So they have pockets up here. They have pockets down here, but they're not sticking way out. Like a lot of skinnier cargo pants, they just look wrong, like you have a giant pocket on a skinny jean. These aren't like that. It actually looks kind of nice. My issue with it, and I do have an issue, Mary and I have a disagreement, she thinks I should keep them, is the rise. This is a medium rise. It is hitting me below my belly button. This is big, isn't it? Maybe I should get a medium. What do you think? Downsize to a medium? Anyway, back to the Wit and Wisdom pants. The rise is low enough that I have some muffin top because the rise is low. Probably can't tell with the sweatshirt as well as with one of the other shirts. And like most medium rise pants, as I bend over and do stuff, they start to slide down. I need a high rise in pants. Otherwise, these are perfect. I feel like with the medium rise, I'm just not going to reach for them, which is a shame because I think they look nice. They're well made. They're reasonably priced. They have cute little features, but the rise is in the wrong spot for me. Okay, this is Vince Camuto Aqua Glow tie front blouse. Again, on the iPad, this is looking bluer than it is. It's definitely an aqua. It's got more green than it's showing up on my iPad anyway. Here's the tie on the side. I don't think this suits me. What do you think? This is the Pleione side tie top, I think it's called. The Pleione gathered waist side tie top. And this is another one I think looked better in the box than on me. It's certainly a nice top. I'm just not sure it suits me. This, by the way, does come untied. And then you tie it to cinch it how you like. I think this might end up driving me crazy over time. Okay, I'm wearing the 1060 Sherman ruffle sleeve top in green, and on camera it's looking a little paler than it is. This is the least expensive item in the trunk. It is so soft and so light and so comfortable. It's like it's made of angel wings. It is awesome. I don't think it looks great on me. It hits me right at my widest part in my hips. So what do you think? It is so comfortable. Okay, here is that blue top that I said maybe the one blue I actually really like. This is the Twist Front Cozy Fleece Pullover by Gibson. It is extremely soft. The color is wonderful. The neckline is perfect. I don't think the fit is great on me. Let me show you. This over here drove Mary crazy when she saw it. She said it looks like someone tried to tie a knot and it didn't work. Tell me what you think. It is a fleece material, but it's a light fleece material. This would be for earlier spring, like a cooler spring, which it kind of is right now outside. It certainly wouldn't go into the summer. It's really soft and the color is great. So, okay, recap. The large tie front blouse by Vince Camuto in that light aqua. I'm pretty sure that's a no. I don't think that was flattering on me. Opinions, please. The Vince Camuto green ruffle sleeve top. That's the lettuce shirt. That is so comfortable. I am seriously considering keeping it. The jean jacket by Vince Camuto. It's fine. I don't think it's exactly what I'm looking for. I do appreciate that Megan is trying to find me a jeans jacket with pockets that's nice. I just think I need a large petite. The refreshing side tie top, that's this gorgeous color. This one here by Nic and Zoe. I'm going to have to look at how it looked on video. I have hair from pulling shirts on and off here. I'm really going to have to consider this because it feels so nice. I'm not sure its fit is great, but my goodness, this is really nice. The Here or There linen blend pants, they were the first things I tried on out of the box before I recorded. I loved them. They're the priciest thing in the box. I considered getting them anyway. I'm recording the day after, and when they were in the box overnight after I wore them and I took them out, they were already somewhat wrinkled. And I'm getting a linen warning in my brain as far as for really expensive trousers, do I want to iron them? And they do seem to be just about half an inch to an inch short, amazingly. So I'm thinking I will not get them, but there was a lot I liked about them. The one button knit blazer by Caslon, that was the green blazer. Let me know if you think it's a little bit too big. Should I see if they have it in a large petite instead of a large? Because I did like that. The twist front cozy fleece pullover I'm still wearing. That was the last thing I tried on. So soft, such a nice color. Not sure it looks great. Tell me what you think. The Living in Yellow Barbara jacket, the black blazer, that I think is a no for me, although it's fine. I just don't think it's what I need right now. It's certainly well made. I would recommend it to somebody else who likes a black blazer. The Twill cargo pants from Wit and Wisdom, it's the rise that got me. If that was high rise, I would buy those in a minute. I liked everything else about them except the rise. The Ruffle sleeve top by 1060 Sherman, that's the really light green one. Here we go. It's the really light green one. And that is only $30. It is really comfortable. I just have a lot of other things in the trunk I'm considering, so that is going on the low end of my selections. It's really soft, though. The bell sleeve French terry jacket is the flipper one. Oh, hi, flipper. I can't do dolphin squeaks. That sounded like a seal. It's very nice, but not for me. I think on someone with a different shape than me, that would be beautiful. It's just not my kind of jacket. The gathered waist side tie top, the red one from Pleione. Again, it just doesn't suit my frame. It's perfectly nice top. I love the color. The printed hoodie sweatshirt in coral from Pleione. I really love it. My question for you guys is, do I need to size down to a medium? Let me know what you think. I will either keep the medium, I will either see if I can get a medium, or I will keep the large because I quite like that sweatshirt and I will use it on a cool day in the summer, late spring, on vacation. That's the kind of thing I would wear. So, those are the items. Give me your opinion. And as I said, names and descriptions and prices are in the description bar below. So, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.